Ooh, le coffee. Welcome to the coffee shop.
Definitely not Starbucks.
Oh, beautiful.
Thank goodness. Oh, you don't like Starbucks? No, I mean, it's like we go with the most unique places.
I'll share mine.
Yeah, Starbucks is the best. Yeah, I wish it was heat down here. Oh, are those whales? Oh, no. No, they're ships. Ships. No, there's.
No, you have to, he didn't read the sign outside. It said, your name was, what was your name?
My name
Yeah.
is Sarah.
That's what I thought, see?
Yeah.
So the sign says, you didn't see the banner, Glenn?
Yeah, no.
Go look at the banner, it said, come see Sarah.
Sarah
Buy
got a
one, get one
discount.
free.
We're in the village, the fortress village. Whoa! It's. Are we getting le coffee? All right. We're going to check out the store. Oh. Yeah.
You do know that the Atlantic Ocean is just right
Well, I do, the last time we came here it was warm, and it was the same time of year.
This is still warm as well.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, what did she did? She knew we're coming. She did, she thought, she had that.
Yeah, you see, well, I come
They're
to
coming, they're coming. Oh, I got them.
yeah.
You're gonna know.
No, that's my hot chocolate. Oh, you're getting me tea? Oh, I didn't know. I didn't know you were, I didn't know you were doing that. Look, I'm getting.
Oh. No, I'm a moose. I'm a moose. I'm in Canada.
They're $4.95 plus.
Hello, I'm a moose in
And there's a gift
Canada.
store right next door as well. I'm not sure if they would have more.
The moose is walking by.
Our generator when we run out right now.
I don't know what you got.
Thanks.
You got peace on the You drink all your coffee?
Been like him and got a refill. Oh yeah.
No, I'm good.
I don't think we can. Oh, I thought we were.
Wow. Wow.
It sure is.
We're in the lookout tower.
Ooh, baby.
And it's a little boat.
Looking out for you.
Funny. Oh, cool.
Yeah, see the drawbridge is closed.
Where are you?
Look, did you see the drawbridge? They draw that up. That's the gate.
Oh, that's cool.
But it's closed. You can't go in right now.
All right. Let's go out of this little fortress place. This is the smaller fortress. Let's go through this door.
Welcome to my home, peasant.
That's the big fortress up there.
Okay, guys, I'm not supposed to be.
Oh, is that where the prisoners hang out?
I think so.
You see the big fortress up there? That's where we're heading. Wow, the fortress.
There's another hill.
We should go down that hill. Oh, look at the beautiful. Oh, the Atlantic Ocean over there. Wow. Look at the waves.
I can't believe you wanted me to move here. I left my beautiful home in France.
Oh, I love Canada today.
I left my beautiful home in France. And you made me come here.
Let's go this way.
You go up first.
Okay.
Look, and they have this big, beautiful yard.
And the fortress is over
And
there.
think of the coat they will grow, considering it's like 30 degrees here, freezing.
That's the man cave over there.
And
And this over here would be the woman cave with the dogs and stuff. See, there's a broom in the corner.
dreaming, dear. You'll be dreaming.
Oh, they have little pipe things. You can clean the cannons. A great little sleeping place. Let's go into the fortress. Woohoo! Let's go over the moat. Come in, come in.
Look, I think we finally found our companions.
Hey, what happened to the water in the moat? Hey, is this Disney World?
Hey! What is it? What's this song? My, oh my, what a wonderful day.
Oh, I love it.
Plenty of sunshine heading my way. Zippity-doo.
You're funny. Funny, funny, honey. Wow.
Stay 7 months,
Hello.
and you could sit out
Come on
there.
in. This is the chapel.
Sit out there and stay.
The barracks are upstairs.
Yeah.
Pretty solid. So we really took care of that people.
A place called Secour, right in Maine.
This is tripping.
Wow.
Now, it's a little crowded in here, but
Yeah.
I think as
Keep you
the
warm.
higher rank you go,
Uh-huh.
the bigger your room and less people. But this was jammed in with, let's see, I can't, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people to stay in this room. 8 people, but look how much more room they got in here. So
The next winter,
I think as you
Champlain brought
the
that to
higher
Grand
rank,
Lake.
that's probably where they ate too.
Oh.
Well,
And that's where my ancestors
got that
flourished.
bigger room.
Yeah.
Because look at this one. This has got 2, 4, 6. So this is only 6 people in this big room, and they got their own.
Right, but I wonder how many people, I wonder if this is how many people sleep in that bed?
I don't think there was doing two guys at a time.
Cause that's a,
That's what I was thinking. But, oh, look, Bill, here's those hooks. These were clothes, not for shelves. That was common. Take pictures.
Take a picture quick. Before I can.
The Atlantic Ocean in Nova Scotia, Canada. So beautiful. And that's the fortress over there that we just came out of. Beautiful place. Look there! We're on video. That's the Atlantic Ocean. I'll turn the video off.
I've decided I don't like this bridge because I can see the rain. And I think if we move this up, this is not good. It is pretty beautiful, isn't it? Might as well just accept it. It's the ride that I'm on, and you know, I just gotta.
It's beautiful, huh, babe?
Oh yeah, it's real beautiful. I'm looking at that big green truss right in front of us. Woo, baby.
You think we're in San Francisco or something?
I'm just thinking I'm right here right now. And I'm thinking that water is freaking cold.
Nova Scotia.
Nova Scotia.
See, we're almost over the bridge.
Keep talking to me.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, oh yeah.
You're doing a great job.
To you, it's beautiful. To me, it's...
Woohoo! Check that out. Look at that view.
Pretty